Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're talking about the reliable and budget-friendly Hero HF Deluxe, a bike that's known for its practicality and strong presence in daily commuting. Engine and performance. The Hero HF Deluxe comes with a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth and consistent performance, making it ideal for city rides and short daily commutes. The engine is tuned for efficiency rather than speed, so riders can expect a calm and stable experience even in traffic conditions. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the HF Deluxe is its impressive fuel efficiency. This bike is designed to save money on fuel, making it a top choice for students, workers, and anyone looking for a low-cost commuting option. With proper maintenance, it offers excellent mileage, which is a key selling point in this segment. Design and build. The design of the Hero HF Deluxe is simple yet practical. It features a clean fuel tank design, comfortable seat, and basic graphics that appeal to a wide range of riders. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle, especially for beginners or those riding in crowded city streets. Comfort and features. Comfort is another strong area of this bike. The long seat and upright riding posture ensure a relaxed ride, even on longer journeys. It also comes with essential features like electric start, in select variants, alloy wheels, and a durable suspension setup that handles rough roads fairly well. Safety and handling. The HF Deluxe offers decent braking performance with drum brakes on both ends. Its lightweight nature and stable handling make it easy to control, even for new riders. While it's not built for high-speed riding, it provides a safe and confident experience for everyday use. Price and value. The Hero HF Deluxe is one of the most affordable bikes in its category. Its low maintenance cost, high fuel efficiency, and reliable performance make it a great value for money option for budget-conscious buyer.